Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. You can subscribe down below, give us a like, and to share. Thank you. Today, this edition will be on pet birds. And here, these collections are friendliest pet bird species you can have, especially if you are a beginner for pets. Are you wondering if you would like a pet bird or you are already an existing pet bird owner? The best pet bird, especially for a beginner, should be friendly, gentle, and well suited to being a companion. And these parrots, they have the traits that are important for people with limited pet birds experience. It's easy to bond with and care for an animal that has a naturally friendly disposition rather than the one that tends to be more timid or aggressive. And here, this is a budgie type of parrot. They enjoying around popularity in the world. Budgies, also known as parakeets, and they are some of the best pet birds for good reason. When properly tamed and cared for, these birds can be extraordinarily friendly and gentle and affectionate. On top of being small, and they are fairly low maintenance. Budgies take well to training, and they can learn to perform many fun bird traits, including learning to talk. Budgies are good for beginners to bird ownerships if you are searching to be a bird parent. And this is another type of parrots. Her name is cockatiel. The captivating cockatiel is another great choice for anyone who wants a friendly and affectionate pet bird. Hailing from Australia, these birds make excellent pets when hand-fed as babies and raised in a positive, gentle environment. When they don't normally learn to talk, cockatiels are exceptionally intelligent. Many learn to whistle quite well and then mimic common household noises such as doorbell, telephones, and microwaves. And they are also well for beginners. Happy watching and thank you.